Okay, so I have a package here, and I probably am gonna upload this to my old YouTube channel. So hi, this is Emily. I am 21, and I am unboxing American Girl doll. I have not done this in I think 7 years, going on 8 years, because it's New Year's today. So yeah, so I got this doll off of eBay. I got her for a pretty good price, like a really good price. And she's a Just Like You doll, well, from what I used to call it. She's a number 41. She has curly black hair and green eyes. I always wanted her. I did a YouTube video. I wanted to get her and another doll and have them to be sisters. But that's when I kind of started getting into like going to concerts and boy singers and whatnot. So I never got her, and I found her online on eBay for a good price, like I said, and decided to just get her. I love Halloween, so I would love to have her dress up as a witch and just have her out all year round. But yeah, I'm gonna open her up. I have not done this for so long. I can't believe I actually ordered her. It kind of didn't feel like I did, like that I would be getting another American Girl doll after so long. This is my 9th American Girl doll, by the way. I do not have my dolls out because I don't have a place to put them. So they're kind of just packed away. I do want to have them out, but like again, I don't have enough room. But I'm gonna get a bookshelf and a big one so I can have them out. Probably in all my other collections. So let's open her up. So she comes in her box, which is really nice. Oh my goodness, this was so weird after so long. So here she is. Can't really see her because she has bubble wrap to her, which is really nice that the woman did that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This feels so weird to do this after so long. So here she is. Let me take her out. Oh my goodness. This feels so weird. So her eye is kind of caught by her hair. Let me fix that. But yes, she's a number 41. Oh my goodness, her hair, let me get closer up so you guys can see. Her hair is really in good condition, and I think that's why I really fell for her. There was other ones that was for sale that was like her, but this one was in the best condition because of course curly hair is really hard to keep up with on your doll, so it can get a little tricky. But she has like perfect hair and she looks brand new. Like I think they said that there was like some kind of marking on her arm or something. Oh yeah, there's just a little mark on her arm right here, but you can barely see this, and plus you would have a long dress on, so you won't really be able to tell. But she is adorable, and I can't believe like how good condition she is and how much, like I got her really, really cheap, guys. But yeah, she just looks so beautiful. But yeah, she has these beautiful green eyes. It's like really hard to tell because it's like not that sunny, but they're really beautiful. And she has black hair. The kind of like, it looks black, but it also kind of has some brown in it. So it's like a brownish black, which is kind of interesting because I thought her hair was more black color. But it has like some brown highlights to it, which is kind of really interesting. Oh my goodness, this is so weird. I'm trying to see her more close. Oh, now I can see her. Oh my goodness. So I'll be making another video, but like I said, I'm turning her into a witch. And she's gonna have this whole backstory about her and whatnot. And I'm super excited about doing that. But yeah, oh my god, this is so crazy. I feel like this is not even mine. This is just so crazy. But yeah, I'll be changing her outfit and whatnot. I just can't believe I have a American Girl doll. That is so crazy. She doesn't have her ears pierced, just in case you're wondering, because I know some people get the dolls ears pierced, but she does not have whole ears pierced. I have two of my dolls, I think, that have the ears pierced because they're just like regular, just like you dolls that I created. I originally wanted to name her, I think Dakota. I think that's what it was when I was gonna get her and this other doll to be sisters, like I said. But I'm gonna be naming her Holly. As much as I love that name, I also really love that name. But I think Holly kind of fits her more perfect because she has these beautiful deep green eyes. Hopefully you can see these deep green eyes, and I think Holly just looks so perfect for her. So I'm gonna name her Holly Rose. That's gonna be her middle name. I don't know what I'm gonna name her as her last name, but I think Holly Rose is so pretty. So that is her. I can't wait to see what she's gonna look like in her witch outfit. I'm gonna get it made on Etsy. I'm already working it out, but I won't be getting it made until later of this month. So she's gonna be kind of in this outfit for a while, but I'm definitely gonna change her. And of course, you could tell by my outfit, I'm really into the spooky stuff. But yeah, she's really cute. The only thing is, like I said, I thought her hair was gonna be black. It looked black, but it looks more, like I said, it's like kind of like blackish brown with some brown in it. So I'm not saying like I'm disappointed in it, because obviously it's not really the woman's fault to send to me. But I always thought her hair was black. But I do have another doll that has black hair though. But she's still really, really pretty. I really, really love her. I'm tempting to kind of pierce her nose because I have a nose piercing, and I think that'll be kind of interesting. But I don't really want to like screw her up. But I think that would be really pretty. So I don't know. I'm like debating if I want to do that or not. And I kind of want to pierce her ears, but I don't really know. But she's so pretty, and I'm so glad that I got the box with her too, so I can put her away if I ever need to. But I'm planning on having her out. She's so cute. Everything is like fine with her. Like I said, she's so brand new. She just has that little scratch on her arm, but you can barely see it. I'm gonna pretend it's like she got hurt or something, because it looks like a black and blue mark almost. But yeah, she's gonna have long sleeves, so you're not even gonna tell. But she's in such well condition, and I'm so surprised because other people was selling her for a lot higher price, like over $100. And this woman sold her for like a really good price, and I just can't believe I got her for that much, especially the way that she looks, and she was in the best condition too. I really wanted her hair to look like it was brand new, and that I got her and not frizzy in that, because I'm not going to brush her hair, because I brushed some of my other dolls' hair that had curly hair, and let me tell you, their hair was kind of frizzy in a way. So yeah, I think she's really cute, and it's just really weird to have another American Girl doll. It kind of makes me miss doing this, unboxing them and getting them, because they just make me feel so happy inside with my childhood. And as much as I love Halloween, I will always love American Girl dolls. And I feel like it's such a child thing to get these, but they're such a good collection, and they make you create this whole story, because my other two Just Like You dolls, I created this whole story, this whole personality, and I'm doing the same thing with her. So even though I'm not playing with her, I kind of am in a little bit. And I kind of want to take photos of her too and post in my Halloween count. My Halloween count is in our town of Halloween. So I think I might be posting some photos of her in February probably, because that'll be when I get the outfit for her. But yeah, I want to get her these little black boots, the dress, the witch dress. I'm not going to say any spoilers because it's going to be really special, because I'm getting it made with my ideal and whatnot. And I want to get a little witch hat for her too, of course. But yeah, she's so beautiful. She does look like she does have black hair in the way when you look at her. But I think she's so cute, and I think she would be perfect to be a witch. I mean, anyone could be a witch, but I mean, she just kind of has this really cute features to her. Oh my god, I can't even talk. She almost kind of looks like Snow White in a way too. It's kind of funny. But yeah, she's so beautiful. Her outfit, I might try to sell her outfit, because I have so much American Girl dolls outfits, and I really do not like pink anymore. So I don't know, maybe I will keep it or maybe I'll sell it. I don't know. The boots are really cute because they have a little flower on it. But yeah, she is so adorable and I really, really like her. It's just crazy that I have another male Kango doll. Like, what? I do kind of want to get Mo, in a way, but like, it's just like, do I really need it? But it would be really cool to kind of start collecting them, but not as much as I like was. But yeah, I just can't believe I have her and she's really cute. So I can't wait to show you guys what I'm gonna do with her and how I'm gonna create her into this witch form. But yeah, I'm gonna have a whole backstory on her then of what she's like, where she lives and whatnot in another video. But yeah, so here she is, Holly Rose. So pretty. She's really pretty. Look at her. They don't make her anymore, by the way. If you're wondering, they do not make her anymore. I'm sure that you probably could create her of the doll. They have this whole create your own doll now. You probably could do that, but you might not get the same as what she is, and stuff. But yes, oh my god, she's so pretty. I love her. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end this video because I'm just gonna keep on talking because I'm just kind of really amazed that I got her. So yeah, so I'm sorry this is a long video, but it's like, it's so crazy when you stop collecting something that meant so much to you and then you get something like get another male Kango doll and it's just kind of like, why did I stop collecting them? But of course everyone grows up, they get into different things. But I will always have a love for male Kango dolls in my life. I remember, I think it was 2 years ago, I went to California and I went inside the male Kango doll show. I've been there before, but I went there and just to look around and relive memories because my mom was born. And it was just so interesting. And I'm like, oh my god, I want another male Kango doll now. I didn't buy one when I was there. I kind of wish I did, but it would be hard to get it back because I didn't have that big a suitcase. But yeah, there she is. I think she's so pretty and I really do love her. So thank you guys for watching. I can't wait to show you guys what she's actually gonna look like in her little witch outfit and my whole backstory and whatnot. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.